to see a BattleBot event in person before? You know, on any scale? Like a couple hands? Okay, well now since you're here, the rest of you can raise your hands too. So, good work. Try and get out more to fighting robot events. They're great. Alright, now do both of our competitors have their controllers bound? Do a little bit of testing and calibration here. Alright, now in the case that some immobilizing damage happens on either end, like let's say they exchange mutual blows and neither of them can come after each other, we're probably going to give it about a 3 to 5 minute limit of time for the fight. So you got to go at it, damage each other as much as possible. You know, you got to be like a robot, just no emotions, just cold, go for the victory, okay? So are both of you guys ready? Alright, is the audience ready?
Yeah! Woo!
Okay, then how many
Some action!
You guys can start on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, listen to that. Wolverine getting his bearings. Working his way. Oh, and Gyrobot. Now notice, the saw looks like it's standing upright, but it's actually trying to tilt, and in doing that, it moves the rest of the robot instead. Oh, here we go. The drum versus the saw. Wolverine trying to get a good angle. Oh, sounds like Gyrobot's saw has been knocked off balance, but he's still going. Marching towards Wolverine. Wolverine trying to nip at his sides, but Gyrobot's got some pretty good armor. Pulling a tight turn. Ooh. Gyrobot became a little mobile. I think we're seeing some struggle here. Oh, did his motor overload, perhaps? Well, you know the rules. If you're immobilized, you got a 3-minute window, Wolverine. You gotta do what you can. Gyrobot, see if he can recover.
One flow, this thing is going to get it back up right.
Yeah. Wolverine seems the drum has stopped spinning a little bit. Oh no, he still got some juice. I guess he's just saving his energy. Gyrobot's still trying to get in place.
Finisher.
Maybe Gyrobot could benefit from a nudge. Wolverine. A friendly nudge, right? Both competitors, it seems, trying to intimidate each other. Just trying to work their way. It seems that that last exchange of blows on both parts gave them some mobility issues. I will give him 1 more minute, see if he can get over, or if he can get up. And also, we will be having times in between for our competitors to do quick repairs and maintenance, fine-tuning and calibration adjustment. Yeah? Alright, we'll hold this battle for now then. Give our competitors a round of applause. We talked about it here. Okay, that Gyrobot is battling out Wolverine moving this round. So, good job. Make sure your box is off, and you can
Wait, so who's out?
back to the station. Sawbot trying to go through wheels. Stood up. Almost. Sawbot puts himself against the wall for stability. Getting all tactical. Oh, they're getting closer to the hammer. That dangerous hammer.
There we go. Yeah, I was about to say.
Alright, here they come again. Oh, apparently Sawbot has lost a tread, listing to one side. Oh.
Yeah!
Alright, we'll give it one more minute. Well, can Sammy get him over to the hammer for a finishing blow? You get 1 minute, Sam. And who knows, David, you might be able to get your bot flip back over. It's not over till it's over, my friend. See?
Just scoot all over there.
Alright, even if you don't get him to the hammer, this is a victory at this point. So I think we'll call it. Alright, this round goes to Sammy. Also, good effort by our friend David Sarver here. They're both good competitors. Good work, guys. Alright, please turn off your robots, get them safe, and then retrieve them from the cage. Excellent work. Yeah, love you. Hey, high five, man. All right. So that's a matchup again. You know, my money was initially on the Sawbot because I've seen him rip some robots before. But the underdog will always come through, it seems. We'll see how he holds up for the rest of the match. Alright, let's see if we can get that roster to come back up. Anthony, can you work some magic on the screen for me? I guess we'll have to cycle through its events here. And so yeah, again, I'm glad you could all come out and see this. You know, we hope that it's very entertaining for you, and if you're kind of on the fence about wanting to do something like this, you know, we want to use this as encouragement to show you it's a lot of fun, that there's other people who do it in the area too. There's like a little community of robot builders, but we need you. If you want to build robots, you got to come out and build them with us. Another good space to kind of collaborate on this kind of work is also the Hacker Lab down on High Street in Midtown Sacramento. They have space for all kinds of collaborative projects, like-minded people. And right now, they're actually doing a whole series of courses on kids' electronics, where they teach them about how to do, you know, basic voltage, current resistance type stuff, so that they can put batteries in it, how to use motors, how to program what we call microcontrollers. If anybody's ever heard of it yet, Arduino is a very popular microcontroller. You can get one for your kid for Christmas, or one for yourself. That's what I do. But they're basically little programmable things where you can plug in all kinds of electronics, like LED lights, microphones, sound sensors, you know, motors like the ones we use here. And even if it's not, you know, competing, fighting robots, it's still a really great experience for getting into electronics, programming, and really a lot of the fundamentals for what makes up engineering later on. So think about that. Otherwise, again, if we can get our roster up, we got to get our next competitors here. I think one of our competitors next on the roster was Brian Toe. I think Brian needs to get his little robot ready here. And does anyone remember who he's competing against? Did we see that roster? Let me just go look at it real quick. See there? two of our club members here. Let's see if they're ready. Go check on them real quick.
Alright, let's go. Hey, take a picture. There's a sign outside.
Alright, it seems both of our players are putting on their finishing touches, getting all the line plugs set up, and all the adjustments to the receivers and transmitters. Also, if any of you have an interest, we also, at our competitive robotics table, we have a 3D printer that you can come take a look at. It's actually making something right now. And for any of you who haven't seen that kind of stuff, it's what they call additive manufacturing. Because most times when something is made, it's made by taking away material, such as if you're gonna make plates or something for this, you usually have a solid piece of metal first that you then carve and mill and use lathes to take metal away from. But 3D printing is actually where you build it from scratch. So you actually add layers of material as you go. And because you do it that way, you can actually get more complex shapes and features that you wouldn't otherwise be able to, because you don't need a tool to get into different angles or areas when you build it. So something interesting to look at, in addition to many of the other things that we have here today. So definitely be sure, in times like this, when we have competitors setting up, you can always kind of peek around and see what's out there. And once we have them ready, we'll, ring the bell and things go down again. I'll be just a moment.
Can you see it? Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, thank you. It's like the filter on here, and it's making it go crazy. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that reduced the delay?
No, it was just adding a filter on there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but yeah, thanks for your help.
No problem.
Yeah, do you think you can hold it longer right now?
Yes, but do you have?
Well,
Yeah. Yes.
yeah. Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, for a while at least.
What's up? My name's Dan.
Bison, pleasure.
Yeah. So do you have a robot today you're using?
Yes.
Nice. And is it gonna be the half count?
Yes. The lightweight.
Flea
Yeah,
weight.
that thing.
Excellent. Well, yeah, glad you guys could come out. Yeah, because the community of robot builders in California even couldn't be big enough. I feel like we should make like some giant network of just robot people. Like robot uprising. But I don't know how to do website stuff, so I wouldn't be able to handle that.
What would you do? Maybe a forum system? There's lots of forums. I don't know.
Yeah, or like maybe a Facebook group. It'd be an easy way to start. Just to
Pretty
get people
good,
in.
all things
I love
considered.
that. I oppose Facebook.
Yeah.
So you're the camera.
Yeah, I'm the camera. How's my camera work?
Right.
Horrible at the moment.
Well, yeah, use both hands.
Can't shake
I'm
hands.
gonna bring this over there.
Let me go double check our competitors here. fire some robots being to receivers.
I got a copy of the game here.
Hello, I'm camera crew.
Oh, okay. You've got the hype for it.
It's fun.
Love your hair.
Thank you. I'm gonna get it at least about 1.5 meters so that I can donate at least 3 feet.
Oh, cool. How long have you been growing it out?
Maybe 2 years now. It's not that long. I've been cutting and trimming it occasionally, so it's not as long as it would have been.
Yeah.
How are you? How you been?
Pretty good. Been up and down lately.
Up and down?
Yeah. Been like all over the place.
Social stuff, work related, school related.
Like a hot food. Yeah. So that's basically the idea.
How many layers? How many layers does it use?
Well, it does 0.1 millimeters at a time, so very, very small. So I'd say a couple hundred to
You didn't answer?
for something.
Huh?
Oh.
Sorry, I got distracted.
Oh, that's fine. Come on. We'll do video stuff together.
Okay. I'd say all of the above,
All of the above?
and then of course my mother.
Oh, she's back in the picture.
Ish.
Huh.
We talked like around Christmas.
Ah,
And then,
that was a while ago.
yeah.
Wait,
What?
Christmas is coming up. Wow. That must have been stressful.
Yeah. So we talked back last Christmas,
Mm-hmm.
and she tried to like get back in my life, sort of thing.
Sorry about the
and-
twists.
Okay. I really hope it's not like recording our conversations.
I don't think so. Maybe. He has the mic, so I'm hoping it's from the mic.
Okay.
Where'd your desk go? So, a question, does this thing record sound or is that from the microphone?
It's recording sound.
Ah,
Yes. Yeah.
don't talk in front of it.
Yeah. The video, like if it's like random sound, then that's fine. But something like right up there, like you can hear.
Alright, well, it seems that our one competitor is not ready, but Rogi is having some more technical difficulties. Surprise. It happens. But in any case, our earlier competitors have fixed their technical difficulties. So we're going to get back up here. We're going to get Julio, as well as our competitor from Sierra College. I'm going to need to see the roster before I can get the name down. So if our two competitors are ready, can you bring your bots to the arena? Alright, it's clamping it down. While he's getting ready to come here, we'll start meeting some of our competitors. So. Okay, so in any case, we have one of our competitors here from our Comp Robo Club in Sac State. I believe your name is Julio, right? So can you tell us a little bit about yourself, like what you're studying here at Sac State, what got you into Robotics Club, and your idea for this robot?
My name is Julio. My name is Julio. Triple E. I got into robotics because, like, from childhood, I used to like this cartoon called Mega Man. Yeah. And so, because of that, I mean, this is not like Mega Man, but it's a start. So.
And what was your idea for this robot?
Oh, so for this robot, it was gonna be like a car. It was gonna have a axle and everything. But then that would have taken too long, and I didn't have background knowledge for that. But ultimately, I just put a roll in the back, and it was kind of like on the spot, kind of.
So it's like a ramming type of robot, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna try and push him into that?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, almost looking at the shape of that thing, like I see it's like, it almost makes me think like I could ride around on it if I had two of them, you know? You just have a joystick, like, segue, go forward. Alright, excellent, we'll here, take your robot. Our competitors from Sierra College almost prepared? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah? Alright, we'll give them a little more time. But they've almost got their robot ready. Oh yeah, don't forget, in case you want to see, Finger Tech robots over there as little fleet-weight robots. They're super lightweight, and they're easy for kids to play with too, so if you want to check that out in the meantime. And again as well, thank you for coming out to this, and also, you know, some appreciation for students like Julio, make this club and entertain them. These guys are really busy. I don't know if has anybody ever heard of takes a lot of work, takes a lot of time, takes a lot of years, you know, you never get some great hairs, to go through your undergrad.
Horses, I got four of you guys. Would you like a four-way rumble? Alright, that sounds like fun. Let me get to you.
This is kind of a nice thing to do on the side. So, you know, they're kind of taking out their time as well to use for themselves, but also for all of you. So, alright. Alright. Tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're studying, what got you into robotics, and tell us about your robot.
Remember here, Nick?
Thanks, man. So, I study at Sierra College. Started doing a robotics program in mechatronics at Sierra College because it was my second choice for a career field. I didn't have any classes, and I just got really involved in it. And so we started putting these robots together for robo games and robots. And only recently I started building one pattern. This one was actually built in under 24 hours, probably why it short-circuited. But we're hoping it'll be some good amusement for everybody here.
So what's your name?
And what's your robot here called? Kitty cat robot? And tell me, wait, does it have glowing?
Yes, it does.
Menacing. Alright, let's have our competitors get to either doors.
I have to interrupt the interview. He's got
Our contester has to get in here. Alright, so gentlemen, please enter your robots into the cage. Get them set up. Make sure your movement and so we've got one ramming robot and a wedge type robot. And if you'll notice the way his wedge is set up too, if that thing flips over, it'll have the identical form it does now. So it's like a bi-directional lock. Oh wow, that cat's quick. You better watch out, Julio. Alright, competitors, are you both ready? Can I get a thumbs up? Yeah? Alright, audience, are you ready for the next match? Oh, come on, you can do louder than that. We're here for the 2 hours. Alright, how tear apart. Oh! Just careful not to put yourself in there, right? Alright, so they're trying to get a fix on each other. That cat's quick, maybe a little quick for its own good. Oh! Will its cat-like reflexes save it? Does it really have 9 lives? We'll find out. Oh, that bot can get some speed. Wildly going around, doing the deadly dance of robot combat. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, Kitty Cat has a special spinning move. Alright, but you each get a few minutes. If neither of you gets flipped or destroyed, we'll have some of our senior officers kind of judge on points. Both for maybe who is kind of initiating more of the impacts and generally dominating the space. It's just a deadly tango of robot death. Ooh! Good blow from Kitty Cat. Another one. Oh! Getting close. The intimidating sound of the pulverizer. Oh. Ramibot trying to push it around, show that cat who's boss. Oh, running over a bit. Alright, we'll give you guys 1 more minute to settle your dispute in the ring. Oh. Narrowly avoided. I think the cat was closer. I think the cat was close enough to get under that nail. Kitty Cat bot pummeling its competition against the wall. Spinning mad, watch out. Are we pinned here? Alright, give me another 20 seconds. Getting in the danger zone. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll call that the match. Can I get some of our judges over here, David? Mr. Sarver, can you come over this way, please? And let's see if we can get one more officer here. Do we have any more on hand?
Oh, right behind you.
Oh, hey, okay, we got our 2 presidents here. Okay, what do you guys think? I honestly think that Kitty Cat gave out more of the punishment here, kept up the ramming bot against the wall, showed off some moves. What do you all think?
Well, it dodged that nail pretty well, so I think I'm going to go with the Kittybot. Kittybot showed better mobility and all around guts that you just got to comment.
Alright, both competitors will put up a good match, so let's give them a hand. I think this round will go to Kittybot. But that was, I think Kittybot spent a few lives getting out of the way of that pulverizer. We'll have to see if Kittybot has any more for the next battle. Yeah? What about Roby? I mean, if you're good, it's one thing, but you need somebody to go over. Alright, let's see if we can get another round of competitors here. Rohit, is your robot ready?
Hey David, was your spinning robot working?
No, it's not working right now. You can maybe get, I was going to say the freeway.
So are you rewiring your bot? Or you have one bot ready, right?
This is in anticipation of my
If your walking robot's ready, maybe do you mind doing an intermission round like it's kind of drive around?
What? You think so? it's like it's held together with like
The Janky-tron 5000.
It's got double-sided tape holding on. You need to know exactly how far
It shakes itself apart when it moves.
Alright, more technical equipment here.
Yeah. And hey, don't forget, you in the web, we need you. Come to this event. We need more robots.
In April, there's an event called Robo Games in San Mateo, South Bay Area. It's the only place.
A slight change in the roster due to technical difficulties, but that's okay. We have lots of bots and lots of competitors, and lots of time to fun. Alright, Brian, ready? Alright. So our next two competitors will be Bryant and Zachary here. Zachary, you all come to this side for me. And Bryant, you gotta bring your bot up here. Tell us a little bit about your studies at Sac State, what you did here, how you got into robotics, and tell us about your robot here.
Yeah, so I graduated last year with a bachelor's in civil engineering, and I do robots as partly a hobby and partly to keep my skills in electronics going strong. What was it? And tell us about the robot you have here. This robot is Robot. That's his last name, Brian Ho. Yeah, so I designed it because, well, why did I design it? Because I could. Does it work very well? No. But one of the strong points of its design is that I hope it will work. And and it walks, right? It's a walking robot. So it's not a traditional one that uses wheels. It's a very clever design. It uses a whole camshaft and everything to get this walking action. Oh, I like the alignment there with the motors. See that? All right. Hopefully it'll last a long time. So one thing I've noticed is robots kind of die in the first 5 minutes. That's the life expectancy. I like the tape armor we have here, man. Looks good. All right, thanks, Brian. All right, was it Zach?
Zach, real life.
All right, so tell us a little bit about your background and getting into this, your education. What got you into robotics and about the body you have today?
Well, I started when I was 14. I'm currently 28, so I've had 14 years in the sport. I actually started the SmackDown in Sacktown. It was my very first contest right here in Sacramento.
Nice.
14 years ago.
So do you know Graham Ryan by chance?
I do.
Yeah, he's
And he destroyed my first robot.
Yeah, Graham Ryan was one of the founding club members for competitive robotics. You were involved with it too, yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry, okay, I think I remember seeing you one time.
I've been around for a while.
No, it's good to have you back, man. So tell us about the robot you have today.
I am the current Robo Games champion with my robot, the Bomb. That is not this one. This is the Red Baron, and he is an exercise and doing this with home hand tools. I wrote an article for Servo Magazine on how to build a 1-pound robot just with a hand drill and a little bit of luck. I know one of our younger competitors today is using the design. I'm very glad to see him here, and I'm going to
Excellent. Well, look forward to seeing it in the ring. So Brian, you're up against a veteran here. Gotta watch out. Oh, he's got a little flips himself over. So this matchup we have the Hobot versus the Red Baron. Oh, they're showing off their self-riding skills. Alright, so we can get the contestants to the well, they're in their corners at least, in your respective triangles of the arena. Fixing the robots, best way an engineer knows how. Alright, competitors, are you both ready? Can I get a thumbs up? Alright, audience, are you ready for the next round of Robo Rumble? Alright, how we count it down? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight!
Hey, my one enemy.
Alright, the Red Baron moving in. Oh, bashing him against the wall. The Hobot waving his arm in disapproval. Just trying to scare her away. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Put him right on home plate. Put him right there. Oh, he's bringing him to the pulverizer. Can he still? Oh! One hit. But it seems like Brian's robot has so many empty spaces. Oh, is he stuck? Is he stuck, but he's still alive? Oh no. And the Red Baron now slapping him with humiliation. Bad robot. Bad. Robot desperately flailing to get out. And it's almost free. I think one of its legs are crippled though, yeah. I've seen a lack of movement. The Red Baron setting up the Hobot again for more punishment. Oh no. Can he get it? Can he get it right on the microcontroller, on the speed controller? And deal a coup d'etat blow. Or coup de grace, excuse me. Coup d'etat is different. Oh no.
Yeah, that's right. Planning on
Hobot is trying to hold down the hammer, keep it from going back up. Here it comes. We'll give you guys one more minute.
Go!
Oh, dodges it again. Hobot proving itself to be resilient against damage.
Arm works incredible. Okay, go.
Oh! Another severe blow.
Oh, the Red Baron took the hit. Seems like they're both getting their share of punishment and humiliation in this round. Alright, Red Baron's got another 20 seconds. Back off. The Hobot throwing up robot gang signs.
Now go.
Oh, another punishing blow. Alright, give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Alright, I don't know if we'll need judges on that one. I think the Hobot took quite a few hits from the pulverizers. So this round will go to our veteran, the Red Baron, piloted by Zachary. But a good show of sportsmanship by Brian Hull. Let's give him a round of applause, everyone. Are you not entertained? I know I am. Oh, I want to see what happened to that speed controller, dude.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah. Right on the capacitor.
That's why I got the spare, right?
Luckily, he has a spare speed controller on hand. Because he needs to resuscitate it. Alright, so Zach, you advance to the next round. Alright. Let me check on our roster and see where we're at. See who's next. Alright. Well, that was the first bracket of our 1 pound and weight robots. And I think now, because we have 2 weight divisions that we're gonna have here. And we're gonna get our next division bracket moved up a little bit. So these are gonna be the 150 gram robots, the clean weight robots. 150 grams of robot period. Alright, so let's see if we can get our roster up. We'll get our first competitors here. Excuse me, young gentlemen.
That'd be me.
Okay, well, just like give it back.
Okay, so it's me and Diana.
Yeah.
Wisen and
Okay.
Yeah, alright.
And Wisen
Cool.
is
Thanks for your help.
Okay.
Alright, so our first competitors in the fleet weight robot battle. robotics you have today?
Well, I got into robotics because
It's not strawberry. That got on it.
and I was putting cutesy little bunnies on my wall with robots, and so finally he got sick of it and said, okay, just make your own robot. So I do.
Let's see. With the killer metal bunny ears. Excellent, excellent. And so tell us about your robot. What does it have a name? And what's your strategy for this round?
Her name is Dust Bunny, and she has a dustpan wedge for robots to drive into, and then the weapon, or the gears, they clamp down and hold the opponent in the wedge so I can manipulate them and drive them around the arena.
And then you take out the trash.
Take out the trash, exactly.
Excellent. Look forward to seeing it in action. All right. Our good friend here, Weiss, and the competitor Diana. Tell us about yourself, your experience in getting into robotics, and what you have here for us today. Tell us a little bit about yourself, how you got into robotics and your experience with it, and your robot that you have here.
I've been interested in robotics for years, since I was a little kid. In first grade, we actually had battle robots from back in the day, from like the 80s, come to our actual school and show us battle bots. We also had BJ&E come and show us electronics. So I've been interested since I was like 6. I've been part of the robotics club at the JC for quite a while.
And which JC?
Which one? Yeah, that one. Santa Rosa Junior College. So I was on and off helping, did some programming on quadrupeds, helped build some stuff that some of my team members, if people that know me, they were joking, saying that finally I'm actually able to fight because I'm more interested in show bots and actual battle bots.
Yeah.
So most of my experience is in show bots. So the bot that I have is a downgraded version of Atom Bomb. Atom Bomb is a drum bot, but since we didn't have a drum, we made it into a kind of wedge. And it's a veteran, and hopefully he will be into a little bit of confidence.
Excellent. So we've got wedge against wedge here to see who can cut under the competition for the win. All right. So if you both want to get to your corners, get your robots in here. Make sure your calibration is good, that they move the way you want, and we will begin the round. And now keep in mind, so these robots are both made to try and catch each other. If one of them gets put under that pulverizer, it's going to be devastating, because these robots are tiny. And getting hit like that is no bueno. Can we see the bunny in action? Oh, but will it go low enough to catch Adam Wedge? We'll find out. All right, competitors, are you ready? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up from Bison, thumbs up from Diana. We're prepared. Audience, are you prepared?
Yeah.
All right, then help me count them in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, Adam Wedge, make a quick move. But Dust Bunny is ready. Oh, it's wedge versus wedge. Can one get under the other? Trying to outmaneuver. Oh, Dust Bunny almost getting caught there. Wedge. Oh, the menacing sound of the pulverizer. Adam Wedge, it seems, is more mobile, but Dust Bunny has the bigger catch. Oh, they're struggling. And a dire lock. Oh, and Dust Bunny, it seems, almost had Adam Wedge in a desperate clutch of robot life and death, decided in the arena. Oh, and Dust Bunny has captured Adam Wedge by the wheel.
Oh no.
Can she hold on? Can't you put him in place? Oh, he escapes in the nick of time. But they still have to watch out for that menacing hand that will reach down. I tried to outmaneuver. Oh, he takes a glancing blow, but it seems he's still in order. Nothing flew, no parts flew off, and that's a good sign. Alright, exchanging some little hits here. It's trying to establish domination in the arena. Oh, and Dust Bunny almost catches it again. Alright, but let's keep the imperative of life or death in the arena here. We'll give our competitors 1 more minute to deal as many exchange of blows or pushes into the pulverizer as possible. Adam Wedge now taking the dominant stance, impacting Dust Bunny and shoving the bottom to the corner. Oh, Adam Wedge almost putting himself right into the catch of Dust Bunny. Does Adam Wedge have a death wish? Maybe. I'm not sure what robots of this size dream of. Oh, almost catching again. Alright, we'll give our competitors another 30 seconds to deal blows and to push each other. Oh, it seems there are some real issues. Adam Wedge getting behind Dust Bunny. Taking control of the mobility. But can't seem to hold on to that grip. Dust Bunny is too heavy. Even at 150 grams. Oh, Adam Wedge almost taking the position. Time is running down, competitors. Alright, we're going to bring it to the close here pretty soon, so get in your last shots. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Competitors, hold your blows for now. I'm going to call the match there. We need our judges judging the matter. Now, of course, I think all of the judging officers have been the one present. Everyone else is dealing with technical difficulties. So let's open source this match. I thought Dust Bunny was pretty impressive catching Adam Wedge. Adam Wedge several times managed to get directly under and kind of dominate and shove Dust Bunny in the corner. So, in my opinion, it's up into the air. So you, the audience, need to decide who do you think was the superior competitor in terms of shoving around the most, impacts, and threatening the other with a pulverizer. Let me hear everybody who's in favor of Dust Bunny. Alright, now let me hear everybody who's rooting for Adam Wedge. Alright, I think that round then, by choice of the jury, will have to go to Dust Bunny. But a good show on both parts of both competitors. Excellent robots, excellent battles. Thank you both. And Dust Bunny move on to the next round. Good fighting. Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
Alright, so let's check who's next in our flyweight competition. Alright, next up in the flyweight competition is veteran roboticist Zachary.
Yeah, I think so.
Seth.
They'll run you.
We have Zachary and Seth bring their flyweight robots to the arena. Alright, and again, if you're just showing up. Be sure to walk around and check out some of the other groups present. We have the Mechatronics group and club from Sierra College. They have excellent, huge robots over there, including Wolverine and Sabretooth, huge heavyweight robots. We have the SAE Formula Racing Club here from Sac State, who builds race cars that go really fast. Very dedicated builders. We have the Fingertech Robotics over in the corner from Santa Rosa, building all the fleetweight robots that are fun for kids. If you have kids that want to get into this, check out the fleetweight robots. And of course, we have our home team, Competitive Robotics from Sac State. We have our variety of robots, and we also have a 3D printer on display. So be sure to check it out and see what's around. And in the meantime, we'll try and get our next competitors for the fleetweight competition up here. Zachary and Seth, if you have your fleetweight robots ready, enter the arena. And also, if you've ever had any questions yourself about engineering, the sciences, or how to get into these kinds of things, maybe if you have a couple of young students yourselves, there's some other students that they can talk to and ask questions about as well. So don't forget about, it's not all just robots and objects and technology and stuff. It's also the people here who make it happen. So be sure to talk.
We should have to do a thing. Oh my god. That's helpful.
Alright, we have our competitors ready for the next fleetweight match. So, Paul and Zachary here are third in the other lightweight roster. Let's meet our next competitor here, Seth. Tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're from, how you got into robotics, and what we're using today.
Well, I'm from Guadalajara, and I sort of into robotics in a way that, I hang around with a bunch of people that does robotics, but I haven't actually built anything whatsoever. So my experience in robotics is only like third hand.
Everyone's gonna start somewhere. And the point is that you start, remember that. So what bot do you have here today?
Right here we have the Horror King that Zachary built, and he lended it to me so I can compete against him, so we can have fun together. And yeah, it spins around like crazy and hopefully whacks the other robot.
Alright, I guess it's aptly fit since we had Halloween recently and the horror came. How terrifying. Alright, well both of you gents are ready. Go ahead and put your bots into the arena. And we'll have our next match here. And again, we'll give you a couple minutes to deal blows and push for dominance in the arena. Oh, and now they added a crosshair. I don't know where that hammer hits. Take down low enough though? I'm wondering, let's talk with our chat technicians here.
Here, let's get a shirt without getting your face. Sharp. Let me get the tape off.
Okay, we're gonna get the tape off the arena here for you guys that are interviewing the chat.
Right?
Yeah.
So you said you're 28, right? That's the same amount of time.
Anthony, does that have sound or it's just a video?
Sounds on. Yeah. hate that the video is so bad, even though it's not high quality.
We're making a slight adjustment to the arena. We're gonna mark with a Sharpie where that track is, so our competitors can be a little more mean-spirited.
Yeah, it's like over there.
Oh yeah, so let me ask Zach, what's the name of this robot you have?
This is
People are enjoying
Micro Drive. Nice. So take a look. I notice it's got a carbon fiber layer on the bottom here. Looks very snazzy, futuristic.
I'm a big fan of making these robots and just stuff at home. I made this robot with my mother's sewing kit and a hair dryer.
Nice, like you took parts out of it and put them in there?
I sewed the carbon fiber frame together with Kevlar thread, and these are just little pipe sticks that I've sewn and glued in place. And then I use the hair dryer to heat up the Lexan enough so I can start painting it.
Excellent. See, that's resourceful. You don't need a whole workshop machinery just to make these bots. You can do it right at home.
If he wins every fight, if he's the only one that progresses, does he just win?
Can you take that other mark off? Excellent. I think we're all ready for our next matchup here. Oh, let's find out. Alright, getting everything plugged in here. Micro Drive and the horror cane. Alright, competitors, are you both prepared?
Mostly.
Yeah, thumbs up. Alright, audience, are you prepared for the next match? Alright, our next flyweight matchup. Let's start it and count them in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! On the Hurricane, dealing some blows to Micro Drive, right in the wheels. Spinning with all its little Micro Drive money. Oh, a couple more hits. Slaps in the face. Are you just gonna take that Micro Drive? Are you gonna get disrespected like that in the robot arena? Oh, Micro Drive now has a secret little clamp weapon, it looks like. It's gonna grab the other bot. Oh, tries to flip it, but it looks like the Hurricane is a bi-directional bot. Can't be flipped. Gonna have to come up with a new tactic, Micro Drive. Alright, you guys will have 2 minutes total to give out this, to dish out your battle. Oh, the Hurricane now dominating Micro Drive, shoving it around the arena, smacking it about. Micro Drive trying to take control back. Both of the competitors gradually working their way towards the pulverizer.
I'm just gonna sit on you now.
Micro Drive now spanking the Hurricane with shame, sitting on top of it like a heavier older brother. Stop hitting yourself. Oh, flipped again. Trying to do a couple more bullets here. The Hurricane pinned against the wall, but breaks free. Both robots pretty mobile, trying to get the advantage on one another.
I hate this tape.
The arena is filled with hazards, it would seem.
More hazards.
Alright, competitors, you have 1 more minute. Oh, some part of somebody's wheel just came off. Saw a little chip. Yeah.
Oh, the puncture.
Stuck in the tango of robot death.
Dancing.
Tape.
Grappling for dominance here.
Neither of us can get across
both
the
of
tape.
The tiny robots have struggling time getting over the tape. You'll just have to stay in the center of the arena. No more running, only fighting. Oh, can Micro Drive possibly pin the Hurricane with that clamp? Maybe instead of flipping, you grab it.
Sure.
Oh, almost. Oh, the hurricane shoving microdrive around. Oh, gradually, gyroscopically making their way over to the pulverizer. But will they get there? Alright, you guys have 30 more seconds. For this match of flyweight fury. Alright, 15 more seconds. One. Ding, 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 ding. And that will be the match. Alright. All the fury that a flyweight robot can dish out. Now, I have to say, it's pretty good on both sides. Hurricane dealing out a lot of hits. Not doing damage, but certainly dealing out humiliation to Microdrive. And also shoving around the larger robot. The Microdrive got a few flips around. Neither robot, though, managing to score a hit in the pulverizer. It's a pretty level matchup. So I think again, I'll have to turn it over to the popularity of the audience to decide who's the victor here. Well, both of you guys stay here, alright. So, you both saw all that happen, you saw the blows get exchanged, you saw the spankings that were delivered, and the smacks around. If you're in favor of the hurricane, let me hear your approval. There's almost crickets for a second there. Alright, and if you're in favor of Microdrive, let's hear it for him. It's sounding pretty even. Sounding pretty even. I think I need more audience participation here. Let's try it again. For the hurricane. Alright, now remember, you can't root for both. Alright, for Microdrive. Still pretty even. Well, I think in this case, the judge ruling. Yeah, you're gonna vote for him? Alright, then we'll give it to the hurricane. Good job, Seth. The victor. Alright, I think we have one more flyweight matchup, and then we'll get back into the hand weights. They've had some time to work on their technical difficulties. Alright, so let's check the roster and see who's next.
Andy and Shannon?
Yeah. But who won?
Alright, for our last round of the first tier flyweight robots, can we have Andy and Shannon bring their robots to the arena, please? Andy and Shannon. And then after this matchup, we'll get back into our next tier, the handweight robots. Now again, too, don't forget to check out some of the stuff we have. And again, also, if you really want to know some of the stuff about STEM and engineering and what goes into building these robots, feel free to talk to any of the students who are here. You know, they were once young like you, and they somehow got curious and involved with it. So if you want to find a way to get into this kind of stuff yourself, you know, it's a good first-hand experience. You can talk student to student.
Andy.
It's a little different if you gotta go talk with professors and industry professionals. Suits and ties.
He was like, yeah, you want the
party match located in the back right corner over there. And you want to see the winner? For this thing, which one of the winner calls.
what was the robot called again? Gearhead. And about yourself too. How did you get into this?
Friends. I never really was into it myself, but a lot of people did, and I watched them. And this is my robot. I didn't bring mine, so I'm using a substitute for my friends.
Good stuff. All right, and competing against Gearhead here, we have our other competitor, Shannon. Tell us a little bit about yourself, how you got into robotics, and the bot you have here. It looks menacing.
Well, the bot I have is also made by Zach Vital. My robot's only working so far on his.
Technical difficulties.
But I got into battle bots like sophomore year of college way back when. I saw a picture. Okay. I saw a picture of the battle bots fights. Went to the club day. And it came from the robots and stayed for the friends.
Excellent. No, that's what it's all about.
And then I just got hooked after this battle.
It happens. It becomes an addiction. It really does. And so what's this robot's name here?
Grim Sweeper.
The Grim Sweeper. I like it. It has a little scythe on the top and everything. I like it. It's excellent. All right, so if you both want to get to your corners then, we'll start our next fight. This will be the end of the first tier of the flyweight matchup. And again, I encourage you both to use the pulverizer as much as possible. And again, like Shannon mentioned though, another great part about building robots is not just all the technology and the cool gadgetry involved, but it's also the people involved and the friends and the connections you make. You get to have a real fun time doing this stuff. Dealing with bugs, sorting things out, coming up with creative ideas, and just having fun. And that's what this is about. We're just here, having fun, putting our skills to use. So in any case, competitors, are we ready? Can you get a thumbs up? Audience, are you ready? Yeah! All right, then help me count them in this round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! All right, the two robots coming up on each other. Gearhead versus the Grim Sweeper. Seems like they're both trying to sort each other out, find a weakness. See who can shove the other one around in a display of robot dominance. Gearhead showing off, taunting the Grim Sweeper, saying, "Come at me, bro." The Grim Sweeper making a beeline for Gearhead. Will all that taunting put him in the pulverizer? Oh, almost, but he gets away. But remember, running won't win this fight. You have to hit them, you have to shove them around. Oh! Gearhead almost flipping the flipper bot itself. Oh, but the Grim Sweeper almost had Gearhead trapped. Had him right around the wheel of the axle. Both vying for a dominant position to shove each other around. In the 2-minute window of time they have to fight, who will come out on top? Grim Sweeper waving around the menacing scythe, trying to trap the opponent. And Gearhead outmaneuvering the Grim Sweeper.
I would call it that.
A metaphor for outrunning death, perhaps. Which is impossible in this arena. Oh, captured again. Alright, the Grim Sweeper has him by the wheel. Has to keep that scythe down. Oh, almost. The Gearhead now is flipped over. Oh, rights himself up. Here we go. Gearhead trying to lure Grim Sweeper over to the pulverizer. That's the kind of action we want to see.
Grim Sweeper trying to get a grab, but Gearhead just narrowly outmaneuvering every time. Crashing against Grim Sweeper. Trying to flip over. Alright, flyweight competitors, we'll give you 1 more minute in the arena.
Yep.
Oh,
go.
Gearhead. Dangerous
tape.
pulverizer. Or perhaps he's just trying to create a false sense of comfort and lure the Grim Sweeper into destruction. Oh, Grim Sweeper has Gearhead pinned on the chassis. But again, narrowly escaping. Oh! Narrow miss. A narrow miss. Gearhead mocking the Grim Sweeper, sort of crashing to the wall out there.
The heavyweight?
Oh, it seems the Grim Sweeper has an edge of the wedge pinned. Oh, but Gearhead creases.
Quiere que le lleve el fuera de mi hermana. It starts at 3 too. She's like, take me and then you can
Pushing each other face to face. Oh. Alright, we'll be another 30 seconds in the arena here. Try to make something happen.
Oh.
A deadly game of robots and robot. Alright, 15 more seconds. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is time, competitors. These big robots back to the corners. Alright, and do we have any other off switchers here? You see my one. I think both competitors displayed some good tactics, good attempts at stuff. Personally, I think both had some good moves. Gearhead was definitely more mobile. It always escaped the Grim Sweeper and would sometimes take a dominant position. But the Grim Sweeper had some times where it flipped over Gearhead like it wasn't nothing, pinned him down, and also took some dominant position. So again, audience, I'll need you to help me decide. Whoever I hear a louder for is the one who will go to the next round. So, if you're in favor of Gearhead being the victor, let's hear it for him. Got some sounds from the back there. Alright, if you're in favor of the Grim Sweeper taking victory, I think the victory is obvious then. Grim Sweeper, you advance to the next round. Congratulations. And again, a round of applause for our contestants here. Our roboticists. Make sure your robots are disabled and so you gotta be rough for this. Alright, and that concludes the first tier of our flyweight competitors. Now we're gonna get back to the heavier weight robots, weighing in at 440 grams of mayhem. We enter the ant-weight realm of robots. Competitors are. Keep this train rolling.
It's Tony versus Nick.
Huh?
Tony versus Nick. Yeah.
Alright, so this is the semifinals for the Amway robots. We need
I'm a 2-pounder. That's fine.
We need Tony and Nick.
Sierra College versus Sierra College.
Yeah. Please, Tony and Nick, bring your robots to the stage. Alright, well, same robots, different pilots. All new introductions. Alright, can we have our pilots come up to the front then, please? Alright, welcome to the arena. Alright, so, if you please, sir, give us an introduction. What's your name? Oh yeah, that's right. So, tell us about yourself, your background in this, how you got into robotics, and what you're planning for your competition here.
Well, I guess I first started with robotics by watching BattleBots on TV. Thought that was cool. Fast forward 10 years. High school level, got involved with virtual robotics. Did that for a year. And then came to Sierra College and they're like, oh, there's a robotics team. Awesome. About 3 weeks ago, we went, we need to make a 1-pound robot. Here's this. And so for about 3 weeks, I've been working on making this guy. It's a little bit terrifying, as you saw earlier.
Excellent. And yeah, first robotics is a great thing too. That's a lot of people get into it. Excellent. Well, I look forward to seeing the mayhem that you're going to wreak here in the arena today. Oh, I hear some scoffing over here. You don't think much of our competitor here? Oh.
I only make her long words.
We'll have to hey, we gotta settle this in the arena, okay? In the arena. Alright, so Miss, tell us about yourself. What's your name and what's your background in robotics and how'd you get into it?
My name is Brittany Bowen and I'm from Sierra and I'm in the mechatronics department. One day when I was taking one of the introductory classes, the teacher came up and he said, hey, you're really good. And then I was picking up paperwork and accidentally fell into robotics. And they said, hey, you're really good, please join us. And so since then, hey girls. And so since then I've kind of just been helping out with the club and showing up for things. And I went to the Makers Fair with them last term. And so I've been right alongside them making the robots.
And how did you enjoy the Makers Fair? For those who don't know about it, can you tell them a little something about the Makers Fair and your experience there?
So the Makers Fair is this really huge convention for makers and people who make things, cool electronics, and they have warehouses full of cool stuff. We raced in the power racing series and got a 3rd place medal. We took a Barbie car and souped it up with a metal frame from a lawnmower, I believe, and raced around in circles as grown adults and went super fast and so that was great.
Grown adults. That's what we all are, right? Alright, well, and you have the kitty cat robot. We saw that one claw its way to the top in the last competition. So, if you're both ready, go ahead and get to your respective corners, and let's begin this match. And again, from the bottom of our battery cells and competitive robotics, thank you to everyone at Sierra College for coming out. It's great to see you all, and more robotics is building stuff, and to have your participation today. So, actually, let's give them a round of applause too for coming out here, because they've got a lot of great stuff and a lot of talent.
Are they giving a? Because my wife looks at speaker.
I'm.
You don't know. I got
He's in charge.
Who? Oh, it looks like they're setting up.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Silly man. They're quit looking at it.
Okay, competitors, are your robots moving to your liking? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Alright, audience, are you ready for this match?
Yeah!
Alright, semifinals for the Amway robots. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Alright, we have the double wedge robot versus the drum Wolverine. So who has the sharper claws, the kitty cat or Wolverine? We'll find out. Kitty cat shoving Wolverine around. Not even afraid of that drum. Oh, wedging itself under Wolverine. Will it be a trip to the pulverizer? Wolverine is resisting pretty hard. Oh, grinding against the cat. More sparks flying.
It's a titanium shell, though. It's holding up.
Titanium, you said?
On the kitty cat is all titanium, aluminum sides, but titanium top and bottom.
Oh, there goes one life in the kitty cat. Narrowly avoiding. Wolverine's gonna have to get more aggressive though. The kitty cat has a titanium outer shell on the front and the top. One intimidation from Wolverine. But the kitty cat is not afraid. It's having none of it. Wolverine backed up like an animal in a corner. Can he get out? Wolverine taking out its anger on the arena. Wolverine is just angry and hungry. Oh, the kitty cat coming in to shove it. Oh. Getting close to that pulverizer. Who's gonna... Wolverine's really getting angry now. It's popping mad. Crazy the cat here. We'll give our competitors 2 more minutes in the arena. Wolverine trying to manage that centrifugal force. That force from the drum seems to be giving him trouble on the steering. Or perhaps that was his plan all along. Again, the kitty cat wedging Wolverine. Oh, kitty cat playing with its other 8 lives. Oh, that's a solid hit from Wolverine. Because don't forget that drum on Wolverine isn't perfectly smooth. It's got some nails and bolts hanging out of it to deal some punishment. Alright, both of them squaring off again. Another smack from Wolverine. Alright, 1 more minute. Kitty cat trying to hustle Wolverine again, moving closer to that pulverizer. Oh, narrowly dodged it. Alright, now fighting over in this corner. This battle's just everywhere. Could that be a death blow from Wolverine? Can Kitty Cat recover?
Oh, hung up on the ears and the whiskers.
Oh, Kitty Cat can still spin, but spinning in place doesn't kill anything. All right, we'll see though. There may be recovery. Got another half minute. Let's see if Kitty Cat can recover, or if Wolverine can deal more punishment. comes Wolverine. So I thought, making his way. Okay, it seems Kitty Cat does have some mobility. Now that the tape, the making of the ears is getting scrunched a little. So Kitty Cat is not out. Alright, you have another 15 seconds, competitors. Time to close if you got them. Alright, here comes the end. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. That'll be the bell. Alright. Good job, competitors. Now we have plenty of people here this time, but I think I will decidedly have to give this in judgment of Wolverine. Yeah! Kitty Cat, you definitely dominated the space a lot, but that blow that Wolverine delivered not only put you on your back severely, but it also ripped open some of that titanium a bit, which is pretty impressive. So again, very impressive display of skill, but Wolverine, for the carnage you dealt, you get this round. Congratulations. And again, a hand for both of our competitors here. Make sure your robots are safe. Go ahead and roll.
Question?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're available. But okay, so I came in earlier, like 11, I think, or earlier to help out. And I just want to know if I need to sign out somewhere.
Yeah.
And I also put that I was here from 11 to 1:30, but I'm barely there. I still longer. I don't know if I could just change it to 11 to 2. That's what my shift was.
I'm not sure where it is. It's because it's on the computer.
Pardon me?
It's on the computer here.
Oh. Yeah, so I don't know if I do.
You the same one.
No. Also, you
Oh, good. I don't know.
I don't know. You can ask for me.
Okay.
Alright, we're good on the roster for a minute.
Alright, so Sammy, Zach. Yeah. Sign out.
Sign out.
Yeah, that's quick. Just click that and type sign out.
New call. And you are?
So I mean, we can kind of put out questions to the kids and parents, like, or like, hey, I heard, yeah, or like, I heard you still have to do it.
All right, everyone. Right now we're having a short intermission from competition. So basically, if any of the parents or kids have any questions about here, how to get in, how we use the app, anyone have any questions at all? If not, we have a speaker for MEP who will be going to talk on the subject of engineering.
Thanks, Admin. Hello, everyone. I'm representing for MEP Mesa Engineering Program. So right now I'm majoring in computer engineering. So if you have any questions, if you want to know about the MEP program as well as get involved into engineering, so please have questions. Any questions? First, I have a little very brief introduction about MEP. Mesa Engineering Program. So Mesa stands for M stands for mathematics, E stands for engineering, then S science, and A for achievement. For the level up to college, it called Mesa, but when we in level, they call MEP. Stand for Mesa Engineering Program. So this program support for the disadvantaged students who want to pursue 4-year knowledge of engineering majors. So we have various engineering majors such as mechanical, civil, electrical, computer. We have many different engineering. And engineering has very challenging, is very challenging subject, but well paid, and we have a lot of projects to do. Very interesting. So as an engineering student, MEP support a lot for us. They prepare for students with the soft skill courses, such as leadership, communication, and all other skills that is in the classroom, such as how we can manage the time purchase, and how we can take note well in the class or get help from the professor, and then get the networking with professional industries or other peers in different engineering. So it's very good for children young age like this to get involved into engineering and encourage them, especially female students. Right now, the USA, we lack of a lot of engineers. We need a lot of engineers. Especially women, they turn their back to this area a lot, maybe because it's hard. But not really, when you get in and you're excited, you follow your dream, and you will get it. So I think it's very good for young children, and especially like female students to inspire and to get involved in the engineering area when they're still very young, it's like this. So if any of you parents and family have any questions you want to ask us, you want to learn more about the program as well as engineering, how to get into it, so please come with us and we will answer any questions. So let me go around ask you, excuse me, what's your name? Where are you, what level are you in? Right. So, what do you have any objects? How much money do we have left?
What?
What do we have left now?
What?
Like the fight?
So what do you know that,
do we have the finals?
Yeah, after the senior finals for 1 pound, but there's 3 for the weight.
There's 3 or 4 left for the weight?
But there's 3 left for the. There's 3 for the fleet.
There's 3 fights left or 3 robots left to fight?
3 left to fight because it's uneven right now.
Yes, you're right, the beautiful roles, beautiful
We'll just progress one up to the semifinals. We'll just push one up to the semifinals.
Yeah, one of them will have bye.
Huh?
So one of them will have bye.
Yeah, one of them will just go by up and then we'll go back to the semifinals in one pound and then we'll go back to freeweight.
Alright.
I like how she's interacting with people.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm in robotics.
Oh, wow. Yeah. So, do you know what engineering you do? Any idea what engineering you do?
I got a finger tech robot. And I beat a college student who had a subway.
Oh, wow. So you enjoy it?
I beat it.
Yeah. Good.
I won. And then now I want to compete against that.
Oh, wow. So you think that you will be an engineer in robot?
I'll be in robot competition. I'll compete against robots.
Cool. So being in engineering, you can do this stuff because this stuff, engineering, we get from Expo, they build and computer science and computer engineering, all of those skills to help you to build these things. So we're not the dream. They follow the dream and study well in the science courses and math and those things will help you to be an engineer in future. Okay. Thank you. And what's your name, lady?
John.
So what do you think about this competition?
Good.
Good. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think about you want to be an engineer?
Scientist.
Scientist. So what's the thing? What scientist?
Dinosaur one.
Excuse me, what?
Dinosaur one.
Oh, dinosaur? Okay, cool. Yeah, in engineering you can do all those things, right? You can explore them, you can find out facts about those, right? Good luck. Thank you. What's your name?
Kirsten.
Okay, so what do you think about this competition? You enjoy it?
Yes.
And so what do you want to do? You like to be an engineer?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you think you will do? What you want to do? You want to build a robot and you want to do something like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you like most today? What do you like most today? Oh, you don't know? So you like to play the robot and you want to build it?
Yeah.
You like both? Okay. Okay, thank you.
And what's your name?
Lynn.
Okay, so what engineering do you know?
I want to be an artistic engineer. Because I'm gonna drive. Like building, and first I make blueprints, which I'm gonna be the one who does because I'm gonna be the artistic one.
What's your camera?
That was great.
That's his first event too. Oh, okay.
That was a great picture.
Wow.
Some of them should be over there.
Okay, it's good with this.
But sure.
We're mostly engineers.
Is it an evacuate pretty much?
Well, most of the people staying have to stay.
Yep.
Wait, let's see how many people are here on the just staying here. And then we have 3 people there.
Well, like those people. Oh, jeez, lag. Yeah. Yeah, I'll fix it.
Need the roster.
Roster? Okay.
No. Oh yeah. Yeah. You're right. You're right.
Hi, thank you, Ms. Style, for your Q&A and your first-hand experience with engineering. I think are we doing your repairs on the pneumatics here? Alright, we're going to start up our next ant round here, I think. So let's find our next competitors.
What about Rohit? Who was he against last round?
He didn't compete.
Well, he wasn't ready, but he needs to now.
I guess someone will have a buy.
Huh?
I don't know. I guess someone will have a buy.
Well, we need to make sure he's matched up. He was matched up against somebody. Do you have the other Excel sheet? I thought you had two.
No, this is it. This is the main thing. There. That's the only other thing.
Okay.
Battle, can we get Sammy and Zach, please? Sammy and Zach, bring your
So
input box
Rohit now
to
has
the
one.
arena.
Oh, okay.
For destruction. And in case you missed it, the pumpkin bot is now making the circuit around the room.
By all that, like all this stuff?
No, it became good.
Alright, so and Zach, our two competitors, are back after their first exterior competition. Both of them are wedge clicker robots. So we'll see who can undercut the other one a little more, and if either one can possibly shove the other into the pulverizer. All right, competitors, are you ready? Give me a thumbs up if you are. All right, spectators and audience, are you ready? All right, then you may begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight. Oh, they're already getting tangled up.
Watch the, there you go, plug in, buddy.
Sammy getting under the Red Baron. Oh.
There you go, buddy.
Oh.
Plug him.
Oh.
Yeah.
The Red Baron flips, but he rights himself over.
Put your thing up in that.
Oh, Red Baron tempting the fates. Giving the audience what they want. More robot carnage.
Take him out there, Sandy.
Oh, he hit from the pulverizer. But it looks like the Red Baron can take it. Oh, that pulverizer is itching for some robot circuitry.
Oh, watch it, watch it.
Oh, seems like the Red Baron almost gets Sammy. Vying for the dominant position underneath. Oh, the Red Baron outmaneuvering Sammy, but Sammy keeps on it.
Take him over there.
Oh, the Red Baron trapped again. Oh, another hit. That's 2 hits from the pulverizer. Can the Red Baron get some revenge? Oh.
A little slow on that.
Good job, buddy. There you go. Clap him.
Oh, again, Sammy's bot. Oh, but Sammy takes the hit. The Red Baron jukes out of the way. The Red Baron, mostly known for his flying skills, not his driving skills. But it seems it works on the ground too. Alright, we'll give you guys 2 more minutes in the arena. Get as many blows as you can. Red Baron taking the dominant position. Oh, Red Baron leading him over. He's got him. Oh, but he slips out.
There you go.
Oh, Red Baron tempting the fates again. With his fancy flying on the ground.
There you go. Watch out, buddy. Watch out.
It's close. Both vying to be the underdog.
Take him over.
Oh, once again, the Red Baron is caught and hit, but he takes it on the armor.
Flip him.
Oh, Red Baron narrowly avoiding. So he's trapped. Red Baron is trapped by the pulverizer, but gets free. Seems the Red Baron, while trying to get under, has to avoid being trapped, as Sam's bot is apt at catching other wedges.
There you go, buddy. Get him in there. Push him in there. There.
Oh, almost again, but the Red Baron is circling around.
Turn on, buddy.
Loses the grip though.
Turn on.
Alright, 1 more minute.
Get off and stand back up.
There you go. Turn around, buddy.
Alright, both of them trying to get under each other. Trying to get in the full guard position. Oh, here's the pulverizer itching there.
Get the wires.
Oh, it looks like the Red Baron's battery plug is dangerously exposed underneath. Maybe Sam can unplug the battery. Deal a death blow. Sammy in the dominant position.
Watch out, buddy.
Both bots making rude robot gestures at one another.
Watch out, buddy. Thank you.
Oh, the Red Baron trying to maneuver the 7 break street. Both tempting the fate. Definitely tempting fate. All right, 30 more seconds, fellas.
There you go, buddy. Take him over there. Walk him over there.
Red Baron again, trapped. Narrowly avoiding disaster.
There it is.
Once again.
Push him over there, buddy. Push him right there.
If he can pinch him, while he's upside down. Oh! Takes a hit to the wheel. But it bounced off like rubber. Because I think that's what it is.
Boom.
Oh, but it looks like the wheel is a little misaligned now. No hit is without its punishment. Alright, 15 more seconds,
Take him over
guys.
there, buddy. Up. Get over there. There it is. Good job, buddy. Jump on him.
Alright, here comes the end.
Watch out, Sammy. Get out of there.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Good job. Stay on it, Sammy.
4, 3, 2,
Stay there, buddy. Stay there.
Ding, 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 ding. Alright, that is the end of this match. Both bots and both pilots putting up some good tactics, outmaneuvering and getting under one another, but I think by most damage dealt, this round will have to go to our young competitor, Sammy. So let's have a round of applause. Alright, let's find our next competitor here.
Is everything being recorded as well?
Yeah.
Sweet. And you can get all the highlights. Highlight reel.
Yeah.
I'm 2 pound.
You're 2 pound?
Yeah. So there's anyone left in 2 pound?
You want to do an exhibition match? Like, it wouldn't be in the tournament, but you could fight the other guy's 2 pound robot, the gyro bot.
So that one. Is that
Alright, one moment, we're gonna see if we can get a competitor out of retirement here. Before we have our final end-weight match, we're going to have an exhibition round. We're going to have an exhibition round and bring back the gyro bot with its saw and fight against another one of our competitors who had some technical difficulties earlier. One of our officers, Rohi. So if we can get Dan and Rohi to bring their bots, we'll have an exhibition match for the sake of destruction. Because that's why we're all here, right? We just want to see some robots get thrashed. All right. Return of the Gyro Bots, Part 2, Electric Boogaloo. Alright, have our competitors set up their robots here.
box spot. All right, so this is an exhibition match solely for robot destruction and carnage. So, competitors, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, audience, are you ready? Yeah! All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, there's that menacing Saul. Oh, Saul. Having some time steering. Let's see if he can walk. There he goes, picking up his feet. All right, Herbie, let's see you do something. This is about carnage. Remember, you got to get in there, get behind him, outplay him.
Otherwise, I'm going to slowly creep towards you.
Your slow impending doom. All right, gentlemen, you have 2 minutes for your exhibition match. Oh, I'm seeing some red lights coming from inside Herbie. Is that a bad sign? Yeah. Gyrobot, you have another minute and a half to get over to Herbie. Take on the finishing
It might
blow.
make it.
It seems neither of our competitors can make right turns.
All right, there's all my progress there.
And it's back to square one.
Make sure I'm spinning a bit slower.
Oh, I hear the saw winding down. Did your wire come apart?
Do you want to replug it in?
Okay, let's have some repair here. So, let's have the saw down for a moment. Herbie, get your battery in order here. You remember that magic word, or magic 2 words? Technical difficulties. Welcome to engineering and robotics in general. But it's part of the fun. It's like a puzzle that you have to make and solve for yourself. And then once you do, it destroys other puzzles. I don't know. Alright, are we all set?
I could just
Well, okay,
try and hit
let's just have some carnage for display. Shove your robot over. A sacrifice for our entertainment. Is this what the audience wants? Do you want a robot sacrifice? Shove it closer. Shove it closer. Yeah, give it a little push. There you go. Alright, doors are locked. Alright, now Gyrobot's gonna take his choice of pet here. That box is pretty stable, yeah. Unless he can get it on the side or something. Now, which way is that blade spinning? Is it spinning down towards you or up from it?
up in the front.
Up, okay. So if it gets spinning high enough, yeah, it should knock the other robot up. Looks like Herbie is kind of a chunky robot here, though. It's hard to knock around. Last time for our robot sacrifice, we got some little porcelain sculptures, of rabbits and bunnies and little houses and stuff, and just threw them in there.
Oh! Wow.
Well, shoving it around, but I don't know if we'll cut through this arm or not. It takes time to walk it though. Alright, I'm gonna find out who's next on the roster while these two mingle. And I think this will be our final for the Amway robots.
It'd be easier if it was against the wall. You want to give it a quick shove against the wall? You want to shove it against the wall?
Waddling around.
Or I could.
Alright, whoever can reach. Yeah. Hold on, Rookie's gonna help you here. Well, against the wall, so he can cut you. Now let's do the wall first. Wall. We'll get the hammer next round, don't worry. There we go. Stand and deliver. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, let's see what kind of power Robot has here. Maximum power. And it's back to square one again. Alright. I think that'll be it. Alright, Dan, I think that'll be it. Calm your robot, sir. Alright, let's give him a hand, people. Alright, let's get our last two competitors here. We need Wolverine and Savvy.
Far better than I ever expected.
Although right now it's kind of like I think right now they're kind of on.
Yeah, we've gone to the donation part.
Okay. Well, I think it's still.
It's actually really hard to go against a flat wall.
Yeah.
Plus, I really got sharpen that blade.
Yeah, he's a good level driver.
Yeah. Excuse me. So if you can get into that quick.
Okay.
All right. And otherwise,
Yeah, it came off the board. We made it reload it.
It's from the cage. It's on the cage, the corner over there. Oh, it took the corner off. Off of the cage.
He's like, I don't know if you know about Arduino. So I'm like, oh yeah, we did that already.
Yeah, I really need to switch into it. It's just what it is. It's on the ramp. It's ready to go. Anything you want to get the cradle. Switch it off. Yeah. Still not. Yeah, I got a feature. One of the problems is I normally have this piece I put on the bottom. It's a bar, but like has a little foot that solid foot that sits out there, and another one over here that sits out there. But it just, you know, so I was doing a lot of this, like kind of barely moving. It's basically where you put the little piece out there, we would do that.
So you can't play like this.
Yeah, you can drop it.
You have to say computer. Like the camera on your box, and you have little air.
Yeah, it's just when it's upside down and get it back.
It's almost like making robots for Terminator, like walking metal little models to do something that you're going to do. So it's like your giant robot.
Is it what? Oh no, I did that. To reduce weight.
Alright. Wolverine, Wolverine and Sammy. He's here too.
You're doing great job.
Alright, are we done dealing with the punishment with the pulverizer here?
I better do that one more go and then this piece is a little bit heavy. This piece is definitely most heavy.
Looks like the nails on the pulverizer are taking punishment too. Okay, let's get our final competitors for the Amway competition inside. Alright, now this is going to be quite a matchup, because Sammy has proven his flipper and his wedge to be very capable of flipping and getting under other robots, but Wolverine has proven himself capable of dealing out harsh punishment. We saw it bend titanium in the other round with the kitty cat. Nice, and both wheels are functional. Alright, competitors, are you ready for this final bout of robot carnage? Let me get a thumbs up. Alright, audience, are you ready for the final round? Alright, help me count down for our competitors here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Alright, squaring off here. Wolverine going berserk. Oh, Sammy making his move. Now Sammy will have to be careful because Wolverine can still drive while he's flipped over. Wolverine going for the wheels. Wolverine trying to get the wheels on Sammy. Oh, direct hit. I heard something chip. It looks like Wolverine bends and chips into Sammy's armor.
There you go.
Alright, squaring off again.
Oh, get him.
Seems like Sammy's wedge is capped on the front of the wedge has been bent.
Get him.
Oh, and his, that's what it was. Sammy's catcher got damaged. You can see a chip missing from it. But he's still in the game.
Get on. There you go. Push him in the corner. Push him in the corner. There you go.
There you go. Push him into the corner, Sam.
Push him in the corner.
Alright, both vying for dominant position. Going over to the pulverizer. Oh! The pulverizer takes a hit. The pulverizer takes damage from Wolverine. But still, it took a hit no less. So far, Sammy's taken a hit and Wolverine's taken a hit. Alright, and we'll give them 3 more minutes to take out their carnage in the arena.
Spank him.
And I will take a drink from a delicious strawberry milkshake.
There you go. Keep him trapped. Keep him trapped, Sam. Keep him.
Oh, Wolverine has become trapped.
Keep him there.
Oh, and it's spanking Wolverine's behind. Oh, lifting him up. An ultimate show of dominance. If he can keep Wolverine pinned here, this is a neutralizing move. Unless Wolverine can get out somehow. Wolverine, we'll give Wolverine 1 more minute. If he's in this position for 1 whole minute. The wheels are moving. Wolverine's wheels are turning. But who could have expected this? We're giving it 1 minute. And you're about 40 seconds left.
Keep his fin there, Sam. I know he's with. You're doing great, bud.
But this will be equivalent to if a bot got flipped and couldn't right itself. If he can keep you neutralized and he can't escape, then he's maintained dominance over you.
The rules say for
20?
The rules said.
Oh, okay.
I didn't write them, I just read them.
Well, I came back, I'm alone. You have to like suppress this. If that's the case, then I think our 20 seconds have been met.
Okay, put him down.
And I think that would conclude it.
Alright.
No, we've got to release after 20.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
Okay.
Can you move? Yeah, can Wolverine move? The wheels are moving. Can you get your drum spinning? Use some of that centripetal force to tip yourself out.
Yeah, we have a problem with it.
It's trying.
unexpected turn after carnage from both sides. Alright, Wolverine team graciously bows out, which means that our young boy here, Sammy, is the victor. An excellent job though on both competitors' parts, both building and fighting. Excellent, so come around, ladies, guys, and shake hands. Again, excellent work, excellent fighting. There's some good hits exchanged. And this makes our 2014 Robot Rumble champion, young boy here, Sammy Masters. Let's give a hand for him, everyone. Way to go. Alright, so let's do a recap on that last round there. Were you worried about Wolverine when he damaged your clipper? No, pretty confident. How come you weren't worried?
Because I knew he was going to get cracked.
Oh, you knew it from the start. So that was your tactic from the beginning, right? But weren't you worried, I mean, if he hit off your wheel or something like that? He was pretty ferocious. He bent titanium in the last round. But you kept on top of it and you kept him pinned. Or should I say, you kept him on top. And it still worked out. So excellent job, man. And keep competing in robotics. You did great. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, that concludes the Antweight robot competition. We're going to finish up with our Fleaweight competition. And again, if you'd like to see stuff around, we have plenty more exhibitions and things to look at. You can check up on the 3D printer and see how it's progressed since you last took a look at it. And otherwise, again, we hope you enjoy the Antweight competition. And as a reminder, it is open to the public. So if this is something you're interested in, you can either talk with our club members or you can talk with the people there over at the Mechatronics from Sierra College, and you can learn how to do this stuff, and you can bring a robot to this event. You don't have to be a student in middle school or high school. You can have a daytime job and do this on the side if you want. So we encourage you to come out, try it, and at least if you don't try it, come root for the competitors and the students who are making these things and taking the time to learn about it and give you an entertaining weekend. Alright, let's find out who's next in our Fleaweight competition. Alright, can we get Diana and Shannon to bring your Fleaweight box to the front?
Oh, is it you two?
Yes.
Awesome.
I know he's doing many long nights, him and his dad out, trying to get that robot to work right. Oh, he's outside the arena, buddy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match over, guys.
Who won?
And I'm gonna give that one to Junkyard.
Yeah!
Yes. She did not grab a robot. Alright guys, I need to go record this match because this is
even legal? We have a girl
All right.
battle.
Back to our flea weight
Oh, why would
competition.
it not be legal?
What? What could be?
I have no idea.
What are you talking about?
Silliness.
Okay.
Oh, I couldn't see him.
My camera.
You guys are trying. I'm just the MC, man. I just run the mic all day. I think they're gonna have to get speakers. Okay. Yeah. Let's have a word from our producer, Nikolai. You want to take center stage and talk about what you're bringing here? Yeah, the mic's all yours.
Well, this isn't like, it's still like about 30-second lag, so.
Alrighty. I am here representing a brand new club here in Sacramento.
Bring it closer.
Any better?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is the Game Developers Club. For those of you who are interested in programming and game development, our club is brand new, newly formed. We had our first meeting last week, and we started actually recruiting members only 2 weeks ago. So, yeah, really new. And the general idea is that I submitted several concepts to Nintendo and Microsoft. They accepted them. And so I have access to developer kits that the average person doesn't have access to. And in the club, you would have access to those developer kits. So you would actually be able to develop onto the official hardware, the Wii U, the Xbox One, Steam, go through all the processes I went through to become an official developer. You learn the same stuff that I learned, and you produce actual games, and those games are then, depending on whether the game actually is free or pay, the club members actually earn revenue from the projects they produce. Any questions? Any questions? Alrighty. Who's next? If you're interested in the club, just catch me over there and I'll put you on the list. The email list or the club member list, depending on whether or not you're a Sac State student. Alright, that's it.
Thank you, sir. Good luck with the club.
Thank you.
Alright, can we get our flea weight competitors back to the arena? Oh wait, you're both here. Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
Alright, you know what to do. Let's get them in there and let's get the carnage started. Do we have our trap technicians on the ready? Nope. Excellent.
Alright, go back.
Alright, we have Dust Bunny. And what was it? The Grim Breaker?
Grim Sweeper.
The Grim Sweeper. Right. I knew it had a better sound to it. Alright, competitors ready? Okay, get a thumbs up. Thumbs up, ready? Alright, audience, are you ready? Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Both of them are sweeping robots, so we'll see who sweeps who into the pulverizer. I will give you both 2 minutes to assert domination over the other robot. Oh, Dust Bunny gets picked up by the sweeper. But breaks free. Oh, now the sweeper is trapped. Oh, with a good grip from Dust Bunny, going to the pulverizer. But the sweeper don't wanna. The sweeper waving its arm around in disagreement. Both robots pushing one another, trying to deny space into the pulverizer.
Oh, the carnage!
Both of them again trying to vie for dominance under the other to shove them over into either the corner, the wall, or the pulverizer. The most thrilling low-speed combat you have ever seen.
Ravenous robot!
Grim Sweeper narrowly avoiding the pulverizer.
Carnivorous cuddler!
Oh, Grim Sweeper shoving the Dust Bunny around into the corner. Oh, Grim Sweeper's gonna clip off Dust Bunny's tail. Oh, Grim Sweeper trying to pull the battery cable on Dust Bunny. Oh, Grim Sweeper almost had it.
You want them?
All right, 1 more minute, competitors.
Oh. This is the nail to that.
Yeah, it is.
Both of them tangling around each other.
The other way around.
Dust Bunny trying to square up against the sweeper. The sweeper is keeping Dust Bunny in its sights. There we go. Oh! The Grim Sweeper gets the advantage underneath. And the sweeper sweep the Dust Bunny over to Doom. Oh, but the tables have turned. Dust Bunny trying to hold on. Taking the long way around. Oh, Dust Bunny almost becoming trapped on the edge. Butting heads and shoving each other face to face. Oh, trapped again. Alright, 30 more seconds, competitors.
That's what he's got him!
Go Sweeper, Sweeper!
The rated bunny here.
Both of them bashing each other with reckless abandon.
That's what he's got him again.
Or maybe they're actually just trying to share a hug. Dust Bunny goes in for the hug on Grim Sweeper.
Grab!
Oh, shoving against the wall. Oh, does the Grim Sweeper have Dust Bunny tipped over?
Pull!
Dust Bunny just narrowly on the verge. Oh, and avoids it. Alright, time is going to run down here pretty soon. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is time. Alright, competitors, bring your robots back to your corners, please. That is the end of this matchup. Both of them obviously pretty evenly matched. It's a tough call. What do you say, Anthony?
Yeah, I think it's really a tough call. It's like, yeah.
What do you think, Tanvir? Who would you have to give it to? Or who is your vote for?
I would say Grim Sweeper because, well, while they were both very mobile and they had very good grappling skills, Grim Sweeper actually almost, but progressed the most on tipping. Dust Bunny over. There's more progress there.
That's a good point. Can we get veteran Zachary over here? Come here. We want your expert opinion too. Who do you think in the match merited the best tactics?
I am a little biased since I'm marrying Dust Bunny in January.
Not Dust Bunny, the driver of Dust Bunny.
Oh, that's good. Oh, really? But I'd say Dust Bunny had a few more grabs and almost got Grim Sweeper to the pulverizer at one point and did a better job holding her opponent. Though Grim Sweeper did have the throw there towards the end.
Yeah, that is true. It's almost a tip over. But almost is only good for horseshoes and hand grenades, right? Or so they say.
Or spinning weapons.
Or spinning weapons, that's also true. But there were none in this match. So I think on the notion of most times under the other opponent, pushing the other opponent, and grabbing, I think we'll have to weigh in on this one to Dust Bunny. So good effort on both parts. Dust Bunny continue, I believe, to the final matchup here, which I think is against, was it Seth, I believe? Anthony, do we have the roster?
Yeah, and Jack.
Yes.
No, I was gonna have it.
Excellent stuff. Hey, listen, one more.
Yeah, it's Seth.
Right. Seth
Yep.
and Diana, you two are going to be the finalists. Let's see who can do the most damage. Or just bully the other robot more. I don't know if we can do damage at this weight class. And also, race cars that they actually compete with on the state level. Over on that corner, we have Fingertech Robotics. They build small robots for entertainment and also other sort of hobby types of fun. And at this table, we have our Competitive Robotics Club, as well as our new gaming club. And we have a 3D printer, so if you've never seen one of those, go check it out. It's been building all day, so every time you check up on it, it's different. And of course, we have the bright minds, the talent, and all the students and alum who are building these robots and taking the time out from their studies and their normal lives to be mad scientists for the weekend. Make little gizmos that friend each other. So be sure to talk to them too. They're the most important part of this event, aside from you. Alright, we have our last competitors for the flyweight robot category. Both of them testing their weapons out. Dust Bunny priming its ears of destruction. Alright, competitors, are we ready? The cage is locked. Thumbs up. Alright, audience, are you ready? Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, this will be the last matchup of the day. So be sure to get in all the rest of the cheers, jeers, and screams that you want to get out before you can't do it at home. Alright, Dust Bunny up against the Horror Cane, fitting with Halloween theme just a couple days ago. But I think we can see here that Dust Bunny definitely outweighs the other bot by just a little bit. But perhaps he still has a chance. Alright, we'll give you 2 minutes in the arena. Whoever can dominate the other space the most will be the victor. Oh, Dust Bunny almost catching the Horror Cane. Oh. And the pulverizer awaiting them both.
I got your tail. No, not the tail.
Oh, and Dust Bunny's tail is torn up a little bit.
Not my cotton tail.
The first real damage done to Dust Bunny.
Dust Bunny will have to devise a clever tactic to capture it. Circling around, still trying to get the advantage. Dust Bunny trying to drive the horror cane to the pulverizer. The horror cane trying to get at that tail again. Oh, almost captured. Alright, we have 1 more minute. Hurricane now attacking with its backside. Oh, the Hurricane is almost. Oh, and it seems he's almost broken free. Seems like the added weight of the other bot gives Dust Bunny a difficult time. Oh, close to that X marks the spot. Close. Dust Bunny trying to persuade him to move over to that green X. There's buried treasure there, don't you know? You want to go there? Or is Dust Bunny telling you lies? You have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, it seems the Hurricane's battery is running low on juice. He's getting sluggish. You are getting sleepy. Oh, or will you be getting dead in a moment? Let's find out. Alright, 15 more seconds. Oh, and a solid hit from the pulverizer. Can Dust Bunny do it one more time? Oh, another solid hit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Half a second left. Alright, that'll be it. Excellent job, both of you. Alright, I think out of the sheer obvious dominance of the playing field and the solid hit, I will have to let this round go to Dust Bunny. He is the victor of the Fleetweight Robot competition. Congratulations. We have a trophy for you, but it is the size of a flea because of the name of the weight category.
Yay!
Okay, congratulations both of you. Thanks both for playing and participating.
Good job.
And with that, my good people and friends, that will conclude our robot fighting for the day. So we hope you have enjoyed it very much, the handweight and the fleetweight competition. Again, a shout out to a lot of our competitors who came out, both Sierra College, the Mechatronics Club, as well as the Santa Rosa folks from the Finger Tech Robotics, as well as the Santa Rosa City College, and our home team here, the competitive robotics team at Sac State. Thank you all for participating, thank you for coming, and enjoy the rest of your time at the Expo. And again, don't forget, there's still plenty of engineer students here, so if you want to know what it's about, go and talk to some people. We have one engineer here by the name of Rima. She's a double major and very smart. You should talk with her too. Very knowledgeable.